What would you like to drink, sir?
I would like a shandy and put another shrimp on the bevy for me, will you?
No, I want now. Shut up and don't speak.
Okay.
Hey old man, why is your eyes like that?
I am a bloody cartoon, can you get over it?
Well, I want a shandy.
Well, you can think again. Okay, I'm closing this bloody pub down tonight because everyone is doing my heading, so get out all of you.
Oh bartender. Why don't you get out?
Yay, because you're gay. Hey, him too old to do this.